Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. Today we're going to take a tour through the fastest growing town in Jamaica, and that's Old Harbour. So I just want to point out the fastest growing neighborhood is Draxhall in St. Ann. But Draxhall is not a town. Draxhall is actually a part of the town of St. Ann's Bay. So the fastest growing town is Old Harbour, and we're driving into Old Harbour now, and you can see how far out the developments have come. I wonder if they know the new traffic laws. Today is February 1. I wonder if the new traffic laws apply to those two vehicles that just clearly cutting through traffic. I hope they apply to them as well. Okay, so we're driving into Old Harbour. Old Harbour is in St. Catherine, and it's not even the largest town in St. Catherine. Spanish Town is the largest town in St. Catherine. Okay, seems like they're building a bridge or repairing the bridge over there. Very interesting. Okay, if anybody knows what's going on, oh, there was a sign, but we couldn't read it from this side. If anybody knows about the construction that we just passed, it looks like a bridge, you can let us know. Right, so Old Harbour is in St. Catherine. It's between, right as you drive out of Spanish Town on the main road, the next major town after Spanish Town is Old Harbour. And Old Harbour is ideally situated because you can access the Highway 2000 from it. There's an exit to go into Old Harbour. But this is the actual town itself now, Main Street we're going into, the town centre. But Old Harbour has a lot of very large housing developments around it, around the town. And we're going to take a tour. I use a drone to show you what those housing developments look like, but that's going to be another video. But you can look out for it because thousands of homes are being built down here, and all those residents, this is where they'll come to do their business. Old Harbour. So this is where you're going to find the supermarkets, the police station, the courthouse, all of those activities, or all of that infrastructure. But Spanish Town is fully developed. It's been around for over 400 years, so it's built out. But Old Harbour now has a lot of space on the outskirts, and Old Harbour actually has a train station as well. So it's definitely a transportation hub, and the train is actually running again because students can take the train from Old Harbour to Spanish Town in the morning, and then from Spanish Town back to Old Harbour in the evening. So it's up and running. You can access the highway. You can access Old Harbour from the highway, and to exit to go into Old Harbour, you don't have to pay any toll. So you could be on the highway, exit, go into Old Harbour, eat, buy gas, whatever you need, shop, and then get back on the highway, and there's no additional toll. And that's very important. Read how fast this town is expanding. Because once people have a viable transportation to get to and from the town, then it will flourish. On the left is the new taxi park or bus park. Over there used to be a part of the market, but the market burned down and they rebuilt, and they built the taxi park over there. Of course, no major town can go without KFC, and there's KFC on the right. And there you can see the police doing their job, controlling the flow of traffic. Alright, at this intersection now, turn left and we'll head back towards the highway. Turn right, we go towards the town center. That's the police station on the right. This is the town center, and almost all the towns in Jamaica have a clock like this, one of those high standing clocks. I think, and I mean they don't work anymore, but it's a symbolic clock. Alright guys, thanks for taking the tour with us. Remember to like, share and subscribe. Have a good day.